you. As we speak today, about 9 lakh adolescent girls were found out of school in rural Rajasthan as per government survey in 2010. When we started our work in one district, we found about 1 lakh adolescent girls, that is in Jaipur district. This the grim situation in the state, this data shows. We started our innovative project called Pehchan, which ensures quality elementary education to out-of-school children, especially adolescent girls. We collaborate this project with the state government for leveraging resources and for creating the, for strengthening the mainstream school system. We started our work from one district in 2002, which was subsequently scaled up in 3 new districts. How did we ensure the success of our project? We organized household surveys to identify out-of-school adolescent girls and also to understand ground reality, local issues and problems related to quality of education. We organized bridge courses, which we call Pehchan Salas, for ensuring quality education to the age-appropriate level, which is essential condition for successful mainstreaming of the target group. We hired local young women having required qualifications and skills, willing to work with children of deprived communities, inhabiting in isolated remote habitations in rural Rajasthan or in tribal area. We oriented by imparting 40 days induction training to the community volunteer teachers. They are women, young women. Our initial training package is 40 days, and we provided continuous academic support in the field also to these volunteer teachers, so that they could organize teaching learning processes effectively to ensure each child can learn at their own pace. We also established adolescent girls collectives and imparted life skills to the members of the groups so that they could understand their own situation in the society, can have the self-identity and self-confidence, and can able to take their own decision about their life. The major achievement in terms of achievement, we see that in our operation area, we benefited about 1 lakh adolescent girls through various activities, most of them through bridge courses and organizing life skill camps. They also 90% of the target group have been put into the mainstream schools. Most of them are continuing in higher education. 90, about 90% of them also completed school education at the age appropriate, in age, as per the age. And the marriage have been delayed. We also impacted at policy level under right to education. There have been made two important provisions. One, bridge course has been considered as an integral part of formal school system. Second is second important is to enroll all out of school children in age appropriate grade in formal school. These are very important issues. Then here we feel proud of having several success stories in our program. One success story of Vajanti Meena, as an outcome, I would like to share. Vajanti belonged to scheduled caste community. She never attended any formal school till the age of 14 years. She got married in early age, but after staying with the parents, her parents. So we persuaded her parents and in-laws to join Pehchan Sala, our bridge course. She continued that bridge course for about 3 years and completed education up to grade 8. And subsequently, she joined formal school and completed school education with distinction. Currently, she is pursuing her bachelor's degree from Rajasthan University. There are scores of such success stories in our operation area. We have long way to go. And sorry, thank you. Our goal is to have all out of school girls in school.